Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. First, let's quickly go over how chats are locked on WhatsApp. When you want to lock a chat, you simply swipe left on the chat, tap the three dots, select Lock Chat, and confirm with Face ID or your passcode. Once locked, these chats are moved to the Locked Chats folder, which you can access by swiping down in your chat list. Now, sometimes locked chats don't appear even when you swipe down. This happens when they've been hidden using a secret code. To hide a chat, you go into Settings and set a secret code. For example, let's say I set my code as 12345 and confirm it. Once done, the chat completely disappears, even from the locked folder. So how do you find your hidden chat? It's simple. Open WhatsApp. In the search bar, type the secret code you set earlier. Once you enter the correct code, the hidden chat will appear. If you don't remember the code, you won't be able to access the chat, so make sure you note it down somewhere safe. If you want to remove the lock from a chat, tap on the chat. Select Unlock Chat and confirm. The chat will now be visible in your regular chat list. And that's it. That's how you can find hidden locked chats on WhatsApp. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.